In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set payment on Booking.com. By the end, you'll have your property ready to receive payouts smoothly and with less manual work. First, head to the Booking.com Extranet. This is the partner dashboard where you manage your property. Sign into your account using your partner credentials, and if you manage multiple properties, make sure you've selected the correct one on the top bar. It's a good idea to log in from a secure device and have your bank details nearby so you can complete everything in one go. Once you're in, open your payment settings. Depending on your account layout, you'll either click Finance or Property. From there, look for the Finance settings or the Policies area, which is where payment preferences live. The wording can vary slightly by region or property type, but you're in the right place when you see options related to how guests pay and how you get paid. Now choose your payment model. To have Booking.com handle payments on your behalf, select Payments by Booking.com. This option means Booking.com will collect money from guests through their supported methods, handle card security and fraud checks, and then send you a payout. It simplifies the process and reduces the need to chase payments or process cards yourself. After selecting Payments by Booking.com, you'll be prompted to add your bank account details. Enter the account holder name exactly as it appears with your bank, along with the account number and any required codes, such as IBAN or SWIFT, depending on your country. Double-check everything before saving to avoid delays. If your property is operated by a company, ensure the legal entity name matches your bank records. Booking.com may run a quick verification, and in some cases, they may request supporting documents before activating payouts. When this is set, the flow is straightforward. Guests pay Booking.com, and you receive your payout according to the scheduled timeline defined in your finance settings. Keep an eye on your upcoming and completed payouts to make sure everything aligns with your reservations. If a payout seems delayed, it's often due to bank holidays, cutoff times, or a pending verification. So give it a little time and confirm that your bank details are correct. That's it. You've logged into the Extranet, opened your payment settings through finance or property, chosen Payments by Booking.com, and added your bank account. With this setup, you'll spend less time on admin and more time hosting. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure your settings are saved and up to date before your next booking.